In this video I'll show you this foxtail fern planted in this pot. So I'm super excited because I got this foxtail fern for $5 on clearance and this pot for $15 on clearance. This is a heavy duty glazed ceramic pot and it's usually double the price. So I thought, hey, why not put them together and let's see what they look like. So this is where I'll grab my soil from. This is my compost bin. This is kind of like stage 1, moving into stage 2, which I haven't done a lot with this. But once that's ready, I'll transfer it over here. So this is the soil that I'm gonna put into the pot. All right, I've got my soil. Let's go head to the front. What I'm going to do now is water this soil in really good because it's not very wet. I'm using a Western red cedar mulch, just adding a layer here on the top to prevent that moisture from evaporating out. Alright, thanks for checking out the video. I look forward to the next.